Hi, my name's Olivia. I am one of the Health Services Assistance Trainers for Certificate 3.
So my name is Vicky. I came here a year ago and I teach Certificate 3 in Assistance in Nursing.
My name is Kelly and I'm a registered nurse and I am the coordinator for the nursing courses at Health Science Hub. So the Certificate 3 in Health Services Assistance includes things like learning the basics of medical terminology, different communication and the communication strategies to use in a professional environment and a healthcare setting, looking at diversity, including our First Nations people in a healthcare setting, principles of work health and safety and infection control. And then we also start to look at some basic anatomy and physiology as well, to kind of be able to tie in understanding things like clinical measurements, vital signs, observations, so looking at how to perform and how to interpret a blood pressure, a heart rate, temperature and oxygen saturations, all those sorts of things. We also look at performing a blood glucose reading and urine analysis. We look at how to transport a patient, particularly if they have mobility needs, and how to provide those basic needs to a patient either in a hospital setting or in an aged care facility. And we look at tying all of that together and letting them practice all of the skills within all of those units to be effective in the workplace.
Hi, I'm Olivia. I am the trainer for the Cert III Acute Care course. My favourite part is getting to show the students the really niche skills that they would be doing in an acute environment. So things like wound care management and learning how to deal with catheter care and going through oxygen delivery care as well. The benefit is you are able to actually go and work in an acute environment such as a hospital. Whereas if you're just doing the Cert III Health Services Assistance, you can really only get qualified to work as an assistant in nursing in an aged care home or a disability group services home. Whereas the acute care add-on gives you that extra added advantage to go straight to the hospitals.